Ever logged into a website and wondered how it keeps you logged in securely? It's all thanks to tokens, specifically access tokens, refresh tokens, and JWTs. Today, let's break them down in the simplest way possible. So, what's a token? A token is like a digital key that tells a website that, hey, I'm already logged in. Let me access the website. So, example, imagine you enter a cinema. You show your ticket at the entrance and they let you in. And once inside, you don't need to show your ticket again every time you move between the seats or buy popcorns, right? That's exactly how tokens works. So when you log in, the website gives you a token or your ticket. This token is stored in the memory or the cookies and it is sent with every request to backend which proves that you are logged in. If the token is valid, the website lets you access your account. And if the token expires, you need to generate a new one. Okay, so not all tokens are same. There are access tokens and refresh tokens. Let's break them down. Access tokens are short-lived key, means this is your main ticket that lets you use the website, but it has a short lifespan for security reasons. Example, think of it as concert wristband. It lets you enter different areas of the event, but if you leave and come back after a while, you will need a new one. So, access tokens are sent with every request to prove you're logged in, and it expires quickly, usually in minutes or hours. So, the problem is once it expires, you have to log in again. But the solution is the refresh tokens. A refresh token is like an extra key stored safely, used to get a new access token when the old one expires. Example, imagine you are using a gym membership card. If it expires, you don't have to sign up again. You just renew it, right? That's exactly how refresh token works. Refresh tokens are stored securely and they have longer lifespan, which is between days or weeks. It is used to request a new access token when it expires. Means we can generate a new access token when it expires through the refresh token. It is sent to the server to confirm that you are still logged in. This is how websites keep you logged in without asking for your password again and again. So let's understand JWT. JWT is a JSON Web Token. It is a special type of token that is secure, compact, and contains information about you. Example, imagine a boarding pass at the airport. It has your name, flight details, and a QR code that provides you are allowed on the plane. A JWT works the same way. It has your details and it's digitally signed to prevent tampering. So, why to use JWT? It is secure and prevents hacking. It works across different services like logging in with the Google and no need for database lookups every time. So, ever wondered what happens when you log out? Your access token gets deleted. Your refresh token is also removed so that you can't generate a new token or a new access token. So next time you visit, you have to log in again. So a security tip. If you ever use a public computer, log out manually to delete your tokens. So why not to keep tokens forever? Well, because of security. If someone steals your token, they could access your account. That's why access tokens expires quickly and refresh tokens require extra security. Now you know how login works and why tokens are so important. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for simple tech explanations and let me know in the comments below Did this make sense? Have you ever faced login issues where you keep getting logged out? Let's have a discussion below.